everyone! In this video, I'll be showing how to design a transistor sensing circuit using LiveWire and convert it into a PCB layout using PCB Wizard. Before we start, make sure both software, LiveWire and PCB Wizard are already installed on your computer. Now, let's open LiveWire and PCB Wizard to begin the project. After opening LiveWire, the next step is to find and insert all the components used in the circuit given. Go to the component library on the left side of the screen and search for each component one by one. For this transistor sensing circuit, the components needed are a 9-volt battery, 2 resistors, each with a value of 1 kilo ohm, 1 thermostat sensor, 1 NPN transistor, and 1 LED. Each component has its own function. The resistors limit the current and protect other parts. The thermostat senses the temperature. The transistor works as a switch to control the current flow. The LED shows when the circuit is active. After placing all the components on the workspace, I started arranging and connecting them together. All the components were placed in the same position, just like in the given circuit diagram, to make the wiring process easier and clearer. After completing all the connections, I carefully checked the circuit to make sure there were no open or wrong connections before running the simulation. After confirming that the circuit worked, the next step was to convert it into a PCB design layout. To do this, I followed the given settings and instructions before converting. First, I set the PCB size to match the required dimension. Then, I selected the option to automatically place all components onto the board. Next, I used the auto route connection feature so that all the copper tracks were connected correctly according to the circuit. Finally, I added copper areas to complete the design and ensure good conductivity for the whole circuit. After applying all these steps, the circuit was successfully converted into a PCB layout, showing how the transistor sensing circuit would look and function on a real printed circuit board. Now let's look at the PCB design layout for the transistor sensing circuit. I opened the PCB in 2 styles, normal and real world. In the normal style, we can see the component pads and copper tracks that connect all parts together. This view is used to check the wiring spacing and layout before printing the board. While in the real world style, the PCB looks more realistic. It shows how the board will actually look once all components are placed. We can clearly see the resistors, transistor, thermostat, and LED on the board. Overall, the PCB design makes the circuit neater, easier to understand, and ready for real use. That's it from me. See you next video.